Hi everyone, John here. Taking a quick look at AMD on the daily chart, we had a nice little pullback right here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just draw in a very simple trend line, clicking from that pivot high to pivot low. This pullback right here is $20.51. How symmetry support works is like this. I'm going to look at the history of this chart, looking at other pullbacks, and see if the other pullbacks are very similar in dollar amount. For example, this pullback is $20.36. And over here, this pullback is $20.40. I'm going to use my Fibonacci extension tool, going to click from that pivot high, pivot low, projecting to that pivot high. One more time, pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. Next, I can use my Fibonacci retracement tool and pull from that pivot low to pivot high to see anything that will match up with the symmetry support work that I just did. We do have the 50% that is right above that cluster. I'm going to pull again from this pivot low to pivot high. You can see we have a 382 stacking on top of that 50% that we just did. So right now we have a 4 price relationship right against this particular zone. Jumping over on the hourly chart, price is also trading nicely above the 200 moving average. On the 15-minute time frame, you're waiting for a trigger to go long. Just make sure that we do have an 8 crossing against a 34 back to the upside. Not financial advice, you gotta position size correctly and set your stop below this pivot low. If you would like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.